anything that is forced can never go long. This definitely applies to the atrocities Indians faced then in Andaman and Nicobar by the Britishers. They had to be shown the door. While our visit to Andaman and Nicobar Island, it actually taught us the meaning of it all. Our stepping stone in Andaman as a team of explorers actually brought us closer to the entire experience of growth. Growth of a person, growth of a place, a connection, or mere body. सब कुछ इतना connected होता है that sometimes it's unreal. Now that I have to talk about the place, I would like to begin by mentioning Veer Savarkar Cellular Jail, the jail that has proven how anything that goes through the words comes out even more refined and beautiful. अब वो कोई जगह हो कि कोई इंसान घिस घिस कर ही हीरा बनता है. कहते हैं in 19th century Indians who went against East India Company उनको life sentence दिया जाता था and they were convicted in and for Kala Pani. They also say that the jailer used the beautiful island as a dumping ground for the convicts and gradually it turned into a convict colony. There was a lot of torture. Known freedom fighters of the 1857 revolt and any individual who raised their voice against the Brits suffered. They were given unhygienic and insufficient food, only 2 cups of water daily, and chained, beaten, tortured in the confinement if they failed to meet the daily assignments. और आखिर में फांसी. In fact, the punishments were worsened by the Japanese. And finally, interference by Gandhi, Tagore, and Subhash Chandra Bose put a full stop to the atrocities in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. प्रेजेंस कितना मैटर करता है. इंडिया के हर कोने ने इंडिया का फ्रीडम महसूस किया है एंड उनका प्रेजेंस इट वाज द मेन पावर एंड द ड्राइविंग फोर्स फॉर द इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ अंडमान इन 1943. The entire story brings out the essence of flow. Flow cannot be forced, it has to be driven. In life as well, we tend to force a lot on ourselves, on the people we love, and we tend to forget that flow has to be natural. उसको तुम force नहीं कर सकते हो. वो अपने आप आता है, अपने आप जाता है. Honestly, I let myself loose as well, and it was just okay. Our visit to the cellular jail, it actually liberated something in our flow of life. मतलब अंदर जो हमारे डर था वो शायद निकल गया और जो स्ट्रिंग्स थे वो डिटैच हो गए खुद से भी. With so much reference and insights about how this island turned into this beauty that we are getting to enjoy today, हमारी सवारी निकल गई हैवलॉक की तरफ. पता है कंफर्टेबल होने वाली जो फीलिंग होती है ना वो आ रही थी धीरे धीरे. अवे फ्रॉम द सिटी दैट गेव मी द 2 ग्रेटेस्ट वॉइड्स इन माई लाइफ. एक नया शहर, नई हवा, नया पानी और एक डुबकी ताकत दे रही थी थोड़ा वक्त और खींचने के लिए. सो अराउंड अस there were waters, so beautiful, the energy, the excitement, the group of friends, families. It definitely had to convert something that I was feeling inside. Do whatever, man, just go and have fun while you're at it.
मुझे पता ही ना ऐसा कुछ करेगा इसलिए मैं रुका ही.
तो अभी तक हमारे इमोशंस काफी हैवी चल रहे थे. A bit of sinking, a bit of release, and now it was time to be inquisitive. Another fear to fight. Water. So you know, the day what we do becomes something that we are doing it only for ourselves alone, and we're not really happy about it, we're not really making a difference, is the day we must quit. Take a pause, reflect and revise. अगर खुद के लिए जीने से तुम्हें सच में खुशी नहीं मिल रही, तो शायद तुम्हारा जरिया कुछ और है. Entire expedition to this thought of school actually began when we were introduced to this amazing person at this fancy comfy resort we stayed in Havelock. You know, कब कौन कहाँ मिल जाता है, आपका कौन सा ट्रिगर पॉइंट को वो टच कर लेता है, कभी भी कुछ पता नहीं चलता. और हमारे साथ बिल्कुल कुछ ऐसा हुआ.
Ocean doesn't keep any dirt back, any trash back. It throws it back at you.
तो अब मैं आपको मेरे ट्रैवल बडीज, मेरे टीम से इंट्रोड्यूस कराती हूँ. साहिल, द मैन बिहाइंड द लेंस, एंड केवल असिस्टिंग अस थ्रू आउट. This is the team that has actually brought the entire adventure on your plate. I'm very proud to say that this film, this documentary, is a product of 3 different perspectives. Sahil and Keval shared something very intimate with me. They told me that it was their first flight. They told me that it was their first big leap. And that made me realize, that made me recall my first flight. But it was special enough. क्योंकि मैं अपने लिए कभी इतनी स्पेशल नहीं थी. जब मैं 21 साल की थी and I started traveling myself, मुझे भी बहुत चुल होती थी, you know, नए शहर जाकर उधर के नए लोगों से बात करना, उनको समझना, उनसे हर तरह के क्वेश्चंस करना, sometimes also very stupid, but ऐसे लगता था कि शायद दिमाग खुल जाएगा, अंदर कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा, कुछ रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. जब वापस अपनी सिटी जाऊंगी, अपने शहर जाऊंगी, सेम नहीं रहूंगी. And I could see the same habits in them. I observed Sahil and Keval taking that chance by themselves and wanting to change something in themselves. It made me feel a little experienced, a little older. And that's what travel does to you. It makes you feel familiar to the unfamiliar. All that you'll be watching today is us trying to bring ourselves out. Coming back to having a little fun, हम लोग राधानगर बीच पे बैठे थे हैवलॉक में, and it was our first beach day. We went a little inside the water, और वहाँ पे I just happened to think inside the water itself, while I was a little afraid from it, but yes, I mean, under the sunset, all that I could think was, we always break people. We try to break something or someone so beautiful and worthy. And we don't realize that while we break them inside out, it also makes them come out very stronger and even more beautiful. The waves are so soothing. I mean, for the first time, I had a me time even when I'm at work. Matlab, I wrote, I heard music, I was in my own world. Probably this is how I want to be in my own company all the time. And traveling, I think it makes it easier. The more you travel, I think the more comfortable you get with yourself. And ironically, it's working. Keval was lost in the game of waters. So lost that he was pretending to be a dead body. And trust me, that scared the shit out of me, thinking that there is some or the other way in which this water can eat me up. But we landed safe on the surface. So safe that we took a swim back in the resort. मुझे swimming नहीं आती, और अगली सुबह हमको scuba diving के लिए निकलना था, that is underwater. I was never even over water. So you can totally imagine. अब तैरना तो नहीं आता, डूबना तो आता ही है. Cut 2 started the day sharp at 5:30 a.m. and we headed to the scuba diving center. 2 घंटे हमने सिर्फ सांस लेना सीखा है, जो सिटी की हसल बसल में, रैट रेस में, स्ट्रेस, इमोशनल इम्बैलेंसेस में काफ़ी टर्बुलेंट चल रहा था. So when we were signing those forms जहाँ पर लिखा होता है कि आप मर गए तो उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी स्कूबा डाइविंग सेंटर की नहीं होती है, ब्रो, इट वाज अ कंप्लीट 2 minute सिचुएशन देयर, पर थ्रिल के वास्ते साइन तो करना ही था। In the next moment itself, before we knew it, we were being trained to survive underwaters and एक philosophy बार बार रटाई जा रही थी कि जो भी दिक्कत है अंदर पानी में रहकर ही सॉल्व करेंगे, ऊपर जाना है, रोने से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा। टैलेंट बाबू हमारे ट्रेनर काफी स्ट्रिक्ट थे। ईगो इज पावर एंड काइंडनेस इज अ हीरो। As a mental health warrior, I was given a serious benefit of doubt at scuba. मतलब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था, पर अब सीरियस इश्यूज है। अगर आपको कोई एक्यूट इलनेस है या आपको बीपी है, डायबिटीज़ है, स्लीपिंग प्रॉब्लम्स है, आप कोई मेडिसिन खाते हो, you have to dive at your own risk. Well, I took a fucking risk. What if it helps me sleep well again? If you're a person who is running away from his or her life, culture, family, atmosphere, city, house, friends, relationships, then I swear on my life, this dive will make you wonder how everything around you is smaller than what God has created. Honestly, Zoya Akhtar did not exaggerate. There were salty tears and salty sea water in romance down there. This was a dip that made me not want to be the best, to not matter anymore, to just exist, do my bit, and make a difference. Okay, can I be honest? I tried to get up at 4 a.m. for the sunrise at Kala Patthar beach, but I was tired. And as much as I wanted to, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था. But I made sure Sahil and Keval were up and they went to record this beautiful sunrise for you all. And they did it. अब नैना ने ठीक ही तो कहा था, वो सनराइज होगा ही ढांसू, लेकिन अगर मैं सोती नहीं तो ये जो ढांसू रेस्ट है वो भी तो मिस हो जाता। इसलिए जहां हो वहीं का ही मजा ले लो। We were at the last of the islands that were on our list and we just discovered वहाँ पर कि there are 572 islands in Andaman and Nicobar और उसमें से 3-4 है जिसमें आप लेजर फाइंड कर सकते हो, बाकी जो है they are untouched but explored at your own risk. अब ये बात तो सच्ची है कि this place is actually a byproduct of a lot of risks anyway. So we were at Neil Island and we explored the two most beautiful beaches out there, Lakshmanpur and Bharatpur beaches. Trust me, the sunsets they come with are breathtakingly beautiful. Therefore, calling them a one-night stand would be absolutely rubbish. After that, we headed on to this touristy place by the name of Natural Bridge and trust me guys, I mean it was again a proven fact कि natural calamity भी कुछ इतना beautiful create कर सकती है after a lot of destruction. मतलब किसी चीज को तुम डिस्ट्रक्ट करने की कोशिश करो, वो और रिफाइंड और सुंदर बन के आता है। अब टेक्निकली हम भी किसी के घर ही घूमने गए थे, द नेटिव्स देयर एंड द ट्राइबल्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स द लाइफ अंडर वाटर. And as much as we've heard from the anecdotes there, the tribals are not very comfortable with interaction from the outside world. But the government really looks after them with all forms of equality. You know, the life outside there is so slow and so content. वहाँ पे कोई greed नहीं है, कोई भी किसी भी रेस का कोई हिस्सा नहीं है। सब ने अपने अपने तरीके से अपने अपने हिस्से का सोलेस ढूंढ रखा है. बट वी ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, द स्काई स्क्रैपर्स, are always escaping. पता है हम लोग अंदर से कितना टूटे हुए हैं, ये सालों साल के ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंसेस ने मुझे सिखाया है. लिविंग द एंटायर आइडिया कि इतनी सुंदर जगह है एंड हर कोना एक नई कहानी बोल रहा है. आप एक अनएक्सप्लोर्ड कल्चर को एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो, बट यू आर स्टैंडिंग राइट देयर विद अ लोनली हार्ट इनसाइड. इट जस्ट मेक्स यू enjoy yourself in installments. And it's not our fault. We've been raised and tamed to live a life like that sometimes. You know, to be the best of ourselves and fuck mediocrity. किसी की सांस रुक नहीं जाएगी अगर हम थोड़ा साधारण भी रह लिए तो. संसार उन्हीं जज्बातों पर चलेगा. तो कभी कभी जज्बात निभाओ, उसूल नहीं. I have a very beautiful observation from the same sunset that three of us were sharing. Sahil, being the cinematographer, kept his camera away. Like, I will not be shooting ahead anymore, and I think my story ends here. We found our ending. He wanted to sink it all. He wanted to soak in the sunset that we were enjoying. Sometimes your camera cannot capture the feelings you go through when you experience the place. And I think that's what my cinematographer is trying to put forward. Calculations, manipulations, fitting in, kicking out, trying different kind of chairs, all of this contributes in us wanting to make us quit. But are these the right kind of considerations? मेरे लिए वापसी कभी प्यारी नहीं होती, क्योंकि जहाँ जा रहे हो वहाँ प्यार बरसाने वाला कोई नहीं हो तो what's the point? पर पहली बार मन में कोई हिचक नहीं थी, बस तैयारी थी. Que sera sera. Distance felt homely than being at the premise itself. May the distance help us find our home as well. May we find the flow in our day. Thanks to Andaman and its people, खामोशी अब हमें पसंद आ गई, पानी सुरक्षित लगने लगा और नींद भी काफी भाग गई.